Yeah. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. You are welcome to this edition You are welcome to this edition of 8 hours competition for 2017-18 academic session. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, as we are about to flag off this first edition, we are going to have an opening match, and the match is coming between two various odds. We have the defending champion, Seth and Belleville, and of course, Kuti All. We are going to slug it out this afternoon to determine the opening ceremony, and of course from there, they have to proceed to the next stage after the match. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our personalities, dignitaries in our midst this afternoon, who, of course, have deemed it necessary to honor the invitation by the Sports Council. We are glad to have in our midst the dignitaries. But ladies and gentlemen, before the introduction of our personalities this afternoon, we will quickly go to sing the national anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, I invite everyone to please rise for us to sing the national anthem. Thank you. We can have a seat now. It's not available, sorry. I'm sorry about that. Okay, your anthem. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Every lion
Ladies and gentlemen, now, through the order of today, we want the two teams to please line up now. The two teams, please fall in now before the final inspection and official kickoff by the Vice Chancellor. Ladies and gentlemen, I have the singular honor, first and foremost, to introduce the co-host of this competition. We have the Director of Sport and, of course, the Chairman of the Sports Council. But I'll quickly introduce and appreciate the presence of the Acting Director of Sport, Dr. I.A. Salami. Please, a round of applause for him. Thank you so much, sir. And of course, we have the representative of the Vice Chancellor and Council, the Sports Council, Professor Babatunde Asagba. Good one, sir. We also appreciate you. Also, as one of our invited guests, we have is a teacher in the Department of Human Kinetics. We have in our midst Dr. Dele Ladipo. Ladies and gentlemen, I also have the singular honor to appreciate and welcome one of the Sports Council members who is also a teacher in Human Kinetics Department. I'll keep something for now. When it's clearly open, I will unveil it. In person of Professor Babalola. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome. We appreciate you one more. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in appreciating the representative of the University Registrar, who also is the Deputy Dean of Students in person of Dr. F.I. Etado. You are welcome, sir. We really appreciate you. And also, this is another big fish in our midst. We have the Dean of Students. The Deputy Dean of Students. The Deputy Dean of Students is a teacher also in the Department of Adult Education in this university. Professor Keye Abiono. You are most welcome, sir. We appreciate you coming around. And of course, the Dean of Students in this university, all affairs about the students is under his office. Don't forget, students, your welfare is under his armpit. So he takes care of you at any given time. If you have any problems, he's ready to attend to you as a father. He has been playing a role of local parentis to all students in this university. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in appreciating Professor Adebowale Titilayo Ajuape. You are welcome, sir. Great to have you in our midst. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, all right. Before we go to the big gun of this occasion, as I can see, we have the Director of Health Service. He's just arriving. Please join me in appreciating Dr. Akibola. Please let us appreciate him. You are welcome, sir. Yes. We are getting there. Ladies and gentlemen, this will take a little bit militarized. What I mean militarized, I know what I mean. We have the presence of the Vice Chancellor in our midst. And the way we are going to appreciate him, the way we are going to greet him will take another dimension. It's going to be in a military form. In a military form. I know why I'm saying that. He has been a lover of sport over the years before attaining this post. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to appreciate the Deputy Vice Chancellor Administration. He's standing for the Vice Chancellor. I mean, the Chief Commander in the University of Ibadan. Please, everybody, we are going to rise now. We are going to rise to appreciate him. Please, can we do that quickly? And the way we are going to appreciate him, to be in military form. What we are going to do is, welcome sir, welcome sir, welcome sir. Anytime. Okay? Just I'm ready to go. Now, 1, 2, go. Welcome sir. Welcome sir. Yes, you can have a seat. Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, in person of Professor, no, just only one person, representing the Vice Chancellor, Professor Kayode Adebowale. You're welcome, sir. We really appreciate you. Thank you so much, sir. Quickly before the official kickoff, we are going to employ the chairman of sports, Professor Babatunde Asagba, to please quickly give us his welcome address. Please let us clap for him. Mr. BBC, sir. Yes. Thank you. 2018 is here. So soon now we are here to watch boys and girls perform. Pray that Almighty God will grant us both souls to have so many people. Just grab the gold medal in high jump. That guy in Ghana, all Africa, senior champion. Yes. I think I can do better without the mic.
You want to snap? I'll come and snap it. I know you're not starting with much. But you can go.
We have all enjoyed the working together of the members of staff from the sports council here. And this is something that we enjoy doing. And we appreciate everybody here. The students have all come over here to enjoy a day. We now give kudos to them for doing all this and more. Mr. DVC, sir, we thank you for coming over here, and we want you to watch carefully, because after today's match, we are going to have some of these people
bundle down to Russia to save us against Argentina tomorrow. Because we have the Eagles opponent. That is why our DVC is well dressed for the day. Ladies and gentlemen, we are not going to waste much time. It is to welcome you all to our arena here. Welcome, sirs, and God bless you.
Please let us put our hands together for the chairman of Sports Council. Yeah, quickly. Before the official kickoff, we want to implore the Vice Chancellor to please rise with all due respect, sir, to give us his simple speech as far as Sports Council sport competition is concerned. Thank you, sir. Please allow us for him.
Great UIs. Great UIs. Greatest of the greatest of the greatest UIs. The Dean of Students, Professor A.T.P. Ajuwape, very great friend. Deputy Dean of Students, Professor Keye Abiono. I've known Dr. Salami now for several decades. Dr. Tunde Ladipo, Professor Babalola, the Director of the University Health Service, Dr. Akingbola. Wardens that are present here, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It's a great pleasure for me to be here this afternoon. I'm actually here carrying 2 caps. I'm representing the Vice Chancellor, Professor Ebeli Olayinka, FAS. And I'm also here on my personal recognition. And there are reasons why I'm carrying the 2 caps. I know that I've been a friend of the Sports Council for a very long time now. And I'm keenly associated with their progress. Let me just go ahead and just read the text of the Vice Chancellor. But as I'm reading the text, I will also be able to put my own because as I'm carrying 2 caps, I'm also carrying 2 mouths. So I will be able to use my mouth and the mouth of the Vice Chancellor that I have here. I was excited, for this particular competition, which is Inter-Hall soccer competition. It's a great pleasure. I was discussing with the Dean of Students as I was seated here that there was a time that this competition could not hold because of some unforeseen circumstances, and that it was replaced by competition, soccer competition, football competition among the faculty. That the excitement that is generated, or that was generated at that time, could not be as when you have students actually participate because of the immense advantages that you have. Sincerely, the sports competition among the students and the Hall of Residence is supposed to bring out talents among the students, and it usually goes a long way in assisting the Sports Council to discover athletes that will be able to represent not only the Sports Council but also the university, at times in different competitions. Then apart from that, it also brings mental alertness and also establish friendship among the students, and also leads to peace on campus. And you know that in some other climes, in some other countries, there is no way you can attend a college or a university if you don't participate in one sport or the other. You want to enter Harvard, if you don't participate in one sport or the other, you can't enter it. Best universities outside here, you need to participate. So it is very, very important that we are trying to bring this up. And when we were young, when Our parents, when they see you playing football, they will say, you will not be able to read. You want to be a dropout. Sportsmen these days are usually not dropouts because they combine, their ability, to be able to play and exercise themselves with very high mental alertness. If you will know, in the Iceland team that is playing in the current World Cup, there are about 6 of them that are medical doctors. And you can't say medical doctors are dropouts. Apart from this, it is also gratifying to note, just like it has been said by Professor Asaba, that the University of Ibadan is making waves. It is on record that during the Nuga Basketball Championship, both male and female, the university, won laurels. And just last weekend, a University of Ibadan high jumper and a 400 level student, his name is Cyprian Oyedele, won gold medal for Nigeria at the ECOWAS Junior Athletics Championship that was held in Ghana. I want to assure the Sports Council, and I will also discuss with my principal when I arrive, that the university, in recognition of this achievement, the management will continue to respond to the needs of the Sports Council as the requests are presented. I want to enjoy all athletes that are going to take part in this competition to compete very fairly. Whether you win, whether you lose, you have really won. Your participation has made all the achievements. And I hope that we'll be able to, I know there's going to be fair play cup that will be given to, the hall, that has the best in terms of fair play. I want to enjoin you once again, because if we go down the history lane, the inter-hall football competition became a war at a point. Sports is not supposed to be war. It's supposed to be something that will be exciting and for competition. So on behalf of all the dignitaries that are present here, and on behalf of the Vice Chancellor of the University, I want to welcome you to this opening ceremony. And on behalf of the Vice Chancellor, we declare the 2017-2018 Inter-Hall Sports Competition open. Thank you and God bless.
Ladies and gentlemen, I believe we can do better. Please round of applause again for our Chancellor. Thank you so much. Before the official kickoff, I want the two teams to get ready for final inspection, and I'm convinced with the technical officials that will determine the successful outcome of this match, that they are ready to do justice to that. You don't have any doubt in you, because I've been doing it before, and we believe we can do better. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to appeal to the Vice Chancellor and his entourage to please rise for the official inspection and the official kickoff of the match. Please, have you rise, sir?
shorty Ojo. So Joro baby, take my number. You know you can call me later. I want to be your lover. Oh baby, call me later. For love possible, talk to your friend. Joro me, baby. Joro me, Joro. Shebi wanna suffer for me. You talk say it like me. I be alone, pardon. Kilo de Joro. I dey give you signal. She know they see me. I give you green light. I'm a girl on bubble. I'm a love bubble. I'm gonna shoot my shot to you. So Joro baby, take my number. You know you can call me later. Me, I want to be your lover. Oh baby, call me
Representative of the Vice Chancellor.
I go be a dog, I get too many. And if I buy myself the Porsche, oh baby girl, I buy for two, try. Oh baby girl, I want your love.
Yes, yes, the thing is about to start. We can see the representative of our Vice Chancellor marching forward to take the official kickoff. You will see, if I say the footballer, you might doubt me. But by the time you see the action, you know that this man has played football before. Yes. There we go! Yes. This has unveiled the opening match of today. Thank you, sir. We appreciate you for doing that.
Baby girl, I want your love. You need woman. Darling, I need your love. You need woman. Baby girl, I want your love. You need woman. Darling, I need your love. You need woman.
Yes, this is signing autograph. It's a glorious thing to the entire team.